Hello guys, hope you are doing well. Today I have chosen a topic how to apply an element functions or style globally across a WordPress website using Elementor, and you can utilize a key feature of the element plugin. So I'll show you how we can do that, though it's very small, but I have chosen it deliberately so that I find it very useful. So if you see that, if maybe you are already using that, I'll tell you how you can do that. For an example, this is a website. If you watch our video, you might have seen this demo.wstech.in. So in this website I have just installed this Royal Elementor theme this time, and this is the home page, right? It's a beautiful theme really, and I want this button, the entire button here in the contact, right? So though there are many ways to do that, I can copy all the features and all that, and I can save it. But there is one feature Elementor provides, the Pro Elements provides actually, that you can save it and you can access it anywhere, any page, any post, anywhere you can just use this. So I'll tell you for that what you need to do. You just need to log in into your dashboard first. Go to the place where you first the style or function or variable, actually I call it a global variable, you just want to use. So this is the element I just want to use on the contact page, right? So it is very easy. What exactly you need to do, right click on it, and I'll tell you, you just need to just save as global, right? I'll just name it get started, or you can give any name, that won't make any difference, just for identification, right? And I'll tell you now, if you see on the left hand side, this is our dashboard, all the widgets are there. So under the element you will see widgets and global, right? So this is the global element or style you can use anywhere. Now if I go there in contact, though I have already opened it, I'll just reopen it, and it will be accessible from this place as well. See, right? I want it here, so I'll just simply drag it and drop it. One important thing you need to remember, that it is global now. So any style, if you change here, for an example, instead if I start editing it and I type get started 1, so this will also reflect on the first page, home page as well. I'll show it to you. Get started 1, right? So in case if you do not want to use as a global, so what exactly you need to do, you need to unlink it. If you just want to it locally, just for this page, just for this section only, so you need to unlink this. Once it will confirm, it will ask you to confirm this, and you can just simply, now if you just remove it, it won't be affecting the original module now. See, it is still what it was before. So that's all you need to do, and you can access it from anywhere, and n number of elements you can save it here, because if you are using a very long website, it's very useful where so many elements are there. Again, same modules you need to write, you need to program, or sometime it happens that coding part you may also performs some kind of coding, so again you need to write the code, all these things. So traditionally we use the global variable for that. So this is same, actually functionality is the same, logic is the same, right? So this is how you can do it. It's very useful, you can start using it, and I'm sure that this is going to make your task easier. less much more easier, right? So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like and do subscribes as well. Thank you. And if you have any kind of question regarding WordPress, Elementor, anything, you can comment it below in the comment section. We will try answering it, right? Thank you so much. Have a great day, guys.